too short for an introduction. I'm outside, the storm hasn't started yet, but it's... You can see it off into the distance over there. Some flashes. It hasn't started yet, so I can get an outside view. It's over in that direction. Looks like we might have some power flashes over there. Definitely some lightning, possible power flashes, I don't know. There is about to be heavy rain coming in Fort Worth, Texas. This is October 24th. October 24th, storm recording. And it's all around here. It's literally, it's about to hit. Yeah, that's gotta be some power flashes over there. There's no way. But the way it's flashing, it has to be power flashes. Oh, that was a bright one. Ooh, there we go. Here, I'll be right back. Front yard now. See if I can capture anything good. This is marked as a severe thunderstorm. It will be pretty heavy rain. Whoa! There we go. Some actual good lightning coverage here. Entertainment! Yeah! Oh, got some drizzles on me. I just got like a small little raindrop on me. I think it's gonna start here in a second. Lightning flashes are starting to get closer. Wind is really picking up. Thunder is getting close. Felt some raindrops. It's a cold breeze, coolish breeze, and it's been hot a lot. So tornado potential, I want to say, is 25-75, maybe. Wind is mainly blowing what feels like this way. Raindrop hit my neck. I'm trying to feel the wind. Wind is blowing more this way and this way. It's kind of back and forth. It's not really rotation if it's only going 2 points. Oh, there we go. This is the lightning coverage that I've wanted. This is great. Whoa! Thunder cracking a little bit above me. Not just above me, but there. Starting to get very dark and intense. This storm is not messing around. Most of the lightning is now over there. There's some bluish lightning over there. You can kind of see it. Every now and then whenever it flashes, it's like a blue haze. It's blowing over there. This is a good angle. Yeah, see, it's kind of blue over there. Trying to get the best view I can out of this. Come on. Come on, money. There we go. That was a good strike. A bunch of lightning's happening more over there. It's more of a constant flash right there. Thunder cracking pretty much above me now. very crackly. A bigger raindrop just hit my head. You can see raindrops are starting to look a lot more frequent here. You get some coming around, so it's definitely about to pick up and rain. See, we got a piece of debris here. Go ahead and throw this off to the side of the road. Nobody wants to get hit by that or hit their tire on that. Absolutely nobody. Probably debris from a car or any type of just something. Raindrop hit my left side. Rain is definitely starting to pick up. Spots are showing everywhere now. Lightning still happening in about the same area over there. Whoa, that was a good one. We're only 6 minutes in and I've already captured, I want to say, 100 strikes. Rain is hitting me a lot more frequent. It's also because I'm moving around a lot more. Whoa! Oh, shoot! Let's go! That was a big one. I had to watch that through my phone. I saw the peripheral of it. I wanted to make sure y'all had the full view. This is amazing. Ooh, big one right there. I'm gonna stand still. Got hit once. Seeing how much I can get hit by rain just standing still to know if I need to go inside soon or not. So this one's not 20 minutes. I'm gonna end it here at 7 minutes and 30 seconds. And see how it goes from here. Big one right there. There's one. There's a big one. Alright, there's 2, 3. I'm gonna wrap it up now.